What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be working on our Tesla Model S and showing you our new and improved carbon fiber mud flaps for the Tesla Model S. We're going to walk you through everything that comes in the kit and how you can install it on your Model S. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, taking a look at our kit here, we have our new and improved mud flaps with the satin carbon fiber finish on it. This is going to nicely match any factory carbon fiber pieces that may already be on your Tesla. And then of course on the back we have the black textured finish here that's going to protect from rocks and other road debris. So we have the 3M attachment tape on there that we're going to use to attach. In addition to the attachment tape, we also have the holes here, and this is new on the rear flaps here. We have a hole, and we're going to use these washers and these plastic push pins to also secure this in the rear. So we also have a microfiber towel to help clean up this area on our car. We're going to need to make sure the area is clean of any wax, grease, dirt, other contaminants. We have the adhesion promoter packets, and that is everything. So now we can go move over to the car and take a look at what we need to do from there. All right, so taking a look at the rear wheel well here, this is the area where we're going to be attaching our mud flap. This is the rear bumper, the leading edge. And so this area is going to constantly get hit with all sorts of things from the road. If you have any tire shine on your tires, that's going to get slung up into this area. So we need to do a really good job of cleaning this with soap and water, and also with some wax and grease remover on this edge where we're going to be attaching our mud flap. This needs to be really clean and have no contaminants. So our car here is already prepped. It's got a fresh new wrap on this, so this is a very clean surface to be starting out with. And if you're checking this product out on our website, you'll be able to add the wax and grease remover that we recommend right from that product page. So be sure to check that out and add that to your order if you need. So down near the bottom of the bumper here inside the wheel well, you'll notice this plastic clip here. We'll need to remove this with either a flathead screwdriver or a clip removal tool like this. All right, once we've made sure this area here is really clean, washed off, cleaned with wax and grease remover, and completely dry, we can now go ahead to installing our mud flap. So we want to just line this up first and get familiar with how it's going to fit. We need to make sure we align this hole with our hole here where we removed that clip. Now we're going to take our adhesion promoter packet and we're going to wipe the area here on the inside leading edge of the bumper where we're going to be attaching our mud flap, and the tape is going to be making contact. We want to make sure we only wipe this where the tape is going to be making contact. We don't need any on the outside here or anything like that. We just want to keep it nice and small and confined to where the tape is going to be contacting. Now when we go to install our rear mud flap on the carbon fiber side here, we're going to have these two washers that are going to go in and contact the body, and our clip is going to come in from the outside like this, and this is just going to provide proper spacing to keep the mud flap from being too flexed out. So again, once this gets installed on the car, the carbon fiber side is going to be facing back this way. So the washers are going to be on the inside contacting the wheel well here, and then our clip's going to come in from the outside. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and peel all of our red backing on the tape here and get ready to install the mud flap. I'm going to go ahead and put the washers and the clip in first and get that secured, and then we'll stick the mud flap to the bumper. I'm going to go ahead and put our washers on first and put the clip through to try and hold it all together as I'm lining it up to the body. All right, got our clip secure. Now we can just rotate the mud flap into position, and we're going to try and line up our edge here with the edge of the bumper here. Now we can just firmly press into place, and we'll have one of our rear mud flaps installed. Now for the front here, we'll follow the same process. Get this area really clean, wipe down with wax and grease remover, and just get this really clean and really dry. And then again, we'll need to remove the clip we find right here. And the only difference with the front here is we're not gonna need the 2 washers and a provided clip. We're just gonna remove this factory clip, install the mud flap, and then reinstall the same factory clip right through the same hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out now. I'll go ahead and just wipe the area real quick with our adhesion promoter. Now we're ready to go ahead and install the front mud flap. You'll be able to tell the front apart since it has more of a squared off area right here as opposed to the rear. Side by side with the rear has the much larger curved area. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and line up our hole and reinstall the factory clip. All right, just like before, we'll line up our inner edge here with the inner edge of the fender. And then we can just firmly press into place. All right, and that's gonna do it for our install today of our new and improved Model S carbon fiber mud flaps. We can now ride in style knowing that our bumpers and fenders are protected with the added protection from the mud flap. So if you wanna check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.